The Lexip 3D mouse promises players a supercharged experience with a mouse that comes with 2 integrated joysticks. Currently, in the midst of its Kickstarter campaign, the company says Lexip joysticks make it an all-in-one solution for any variety of games. The first Lexip joystick is internal and controlled by tilting the mouse housing. You can register more than 300,000 joystick positions by simply tilting to the left, right, up or down +/20 degrees. The second joystick is on the side of the mouse and is controlled by the thumb. There will be models for left and right-handed available. This is a 2-axis joystick, similar to what would appear on any console controller. It also has a laser glide sensor, which allows to track the mechanical glide at high speeds with greater precision. The company says that the mouse is designed for all levels of players, whether you are a professional or just someone who clocks a few hours on weekends. Through the Lexip control panel, the mouse configuration can also be customized and configured according to what you are currently comfortable with.